Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Lily and Mateo.
Hi, Lily. Hi, everyone.
How are you doing today, Mateo?
Not so good. I think I have a cold.
Oh no, a cold?
Yes, runny nose, a little cough.
Then today is the perfect day to learn English for the pharmacy.
Yes, I need medicine.
Let's start with simple greetings. Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
How are you?
Let's imagine you walk into a pharmacy. You say, "Good afternoon. I need some medicine."
Good afternoon. I need some medicine.
Very good. Now, repeat after me. Medicine,
Medicine.
pills,
Pills.
syrup,
Syrup.
vitamins,
Vitamins.
Band-Aid,
Band-Aid.
thermometer,
Thermometer.
prescription,
Prescription.
no prescription,
No prescription.
medicine, pills, syrup, vitamins, Band-Aid, thermometer, prescription, no prescription.
Medicine, pills, syrup, vitamins, Band-Aid, thermometer, prescription, no prescription.
Great. Now, words for how we feel. Repeat with me. Fever,
Fever,
cough,
cough,
cold,
cold,
headache,
headache,
stomachache,
stomachache,
sore throat,
sore throat,
runny nose.
runny nose,
Fever, cough, cold, headache, stomachache, sore throat, runny nose.
fever, cough, cold, headache, stomachache, sore throat, runny nose.
Let's practice a simple conversation. Hello, how can I help you?
I have a cold.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
You can take this syrup.
How much is it?
$10.
Okay, I'll take it.
Very good. Now, numbers are important for shopping. Repeat after me. 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now, bigger numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Repeat after me. It's $5.
It's $5.
It's $10.
It's $10.
It's $20.
It's $20.
It's $50.
It's $50.
Sometimes the doctor or pharmacist says when to take the medicine. Repeat after me. Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Repeat these helpful sentences. Take one pill every day.
Take one pill every day.
Take the syrup twice a day.
Take the syrup twice a day.
Take medicine after breakfast.
Take medicine after breakfast.
Take medicine before sleep.
Take medicine before sleep.
Why food? Because the pharmacist may ask about food. Repeat after me. Water,
Water,
tea,
tea,
juice,
juice,
milk,
milk,
bread,
bread,
soup.
soup.
Now sentences. Drink water.
Drink water.
Drink hot tea.
Drink hot tea.
Eat soup.
Eat soup.
Now the pharmacist may ask questions like, do you sleep well?
Do you sleep well?
Do you eat well?
Do you eat well?
Do you exercise?
Do you exercise?
Do you drink enough water?
Do you drink enough water?
Let's do a longer conversation now. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How can I help you?
I have a sore throat and a cough.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't.
When did it start?
On Monday.
Okay, you can take this syrup.
How much is it?
$10.
Okay, I'll take it. Thank you.
Get some rest and drink tea.
Yes, I will. Goodbye.
Have a good day. Today we learned a lot. Let's review. Vocabulary. Medicine.
Medicine.
Pills.
Pills.
Syrup.
Syrup.
Vitamins.
Vitamins.
Band-Aid.
Band-Aid.
Thermometer.
Thermometer.
Prescription.
Prescription.
Cold.
Cold.
Fever.
Fever.
Headache.
Headache.
Sore throat.
Sore throat.
Numbers 1 to 100 and prices. Days of the week, Monday to Sunday. Daily routine sentences. Take medicine once a day. Drink water. Sleep well. Pharmacy sentences. How much is it? I have a cold. I'll take it.
Wow, that was a lot.
Yes, and you did great. Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.